This is going to piss a lot of people off, but the reason so many people fail when they start their online business or side hustle is because in 2024, we live in a digital age where everything is instant. You need something, you jump on Amazon, place your order, you can have it delivered the same day, if not the next day. You want to listen to a song, you just tell Alexa to play that song. When I was younger, I had to take my stereo and then put your finger on the play and the record button, wait for the freaking radio DJ or whatever to stop talking. So you hit the two buttons together, start recording your songs, and then pray that that DJ doesn't start talking over the end of the song before you can hit stop. If you've done that before, please comment below and let me know. Look, when I got started online, it was in 2020, and I spent a lot of money on courses, trying to learn how to make money, and I was making $0. Like, I remember making a $7 sale and I was ecstatic. It took me a long time to learn a good method, but it was me being consistent and me showing up and me having patience. There's nothing instant about starting your online business. You come in here thinking that it's going to be instant, and this isn't for you. If you understand that you need to be patient and you do want to learn the same methods that I've used to earn over 6 figures, then comment guide down below and I'll send you a free video on how I do this.